Hi, this is Aaron from Sibling Rivalry, and it is day 11 of Advent, so that means that we're going to be opening panel 11 here of our Advent calendar. So welcome back. We are doing day 11, like I said, so let's get started with that. And as you can see, I've kind of tidied up the Advent calendar. We've been doing a bunch of different videos, so it's easier just to kind of not have a huge heap of Lego. Oh, so I think this is the helicopter or something similar. Let's take a look. Oh, it's a train. That's cool. I actually really like the model. So let's build that. And I like the color combinations. It's like a nice navy blue and this like the rich yellow that they have. I used to only really like maybe 3 colors, but lately, now that I'm on antidepressants, my color palette has expanded. It's been amazing. It's actually been really nice. So let's see here. Take these. So these are like little stoplight jobbies, and you're gonna take the little pegs here with the through hole, attach them here. I think Siri just thought that I was talking to it, but maybe Siri should shut up. Yeah, Siri, I told you to shut up. Doesn't even respond to that, just turns off. So how about you guys? Do you have depression, anxiety, mental illnesses? Personally, I'm pretty open about it. I know some people really like to keep that stuff private and just for family and whatnot, but I find sharing that information and being open about it has helped, and it helps other people, and yeah, I don't see any benefit to hiding it, I guess is the way I would kind of look at it, because realistically, we all suffer from it to some extent. So there needs to be like a complete disassembly of the whole stigma of that. So yeah, that's just my opinion though. So let us know down in the comments below what you think on mental health. And should I shut my mouth? Yeah, this is it. Like Val's saying, it is a tough time of year for a lot of people. And the holidays are always tough, and yeah, without getting too intense with this conversation, it's a good time to kind of be open about this stuff because everybody suffers from it to some extent. Some people might not know that they're suffering from it. I know I didn't realize that my depression and anxiety weren't normal until it kind of came to a really almost disastrous head. So yeah, we'll probably post a link down below for some support lines and stuff like that for you guys, because I know if you're watching this and you're like me, it's a rough time of year. I know I keep saying that, but I can't stress it enough. Just like I can't stress out enough. I'm so fucking stressed. Watch the previous video if you need to see a full mental breakdown. Just like try to maintain my sanity. So I think that is the whole train there. I actually added in a part in the middle because I thought that it would kind of look better to have like that gray piece as a junction. So there's the train. And we got these extra navy and yellow pieces. Honestly, I just love this color combination. I just get a Lego kit that's just like a whole set of like every brick in these colors. That would just be maybe some Dayglow orange in there as well. I know that's a weird contrast, but think of the things you could make. Deep sea, Jacques Cousteau, submarines, I don't know. I'm thinking ocean for some reason. My brain is just like submarine, submarine, other submarine. Maybe a exosuit for a guy who gets out of a submarine. Robot submarine. How many times can this guy say submarine? So, yeah, that about covers it for today. So, I'll do a little close-up for you guys there. Hopefully you can see that in some good detail. I think it's a cute little train. I like the little detail that it's got the passenger car at the back that's got the little clear tile. I don't know if you can see that well or not. But yeah, it's cool. And you could easily expand this, and you could probably even get some, I know they've got like the little one-peg ball joint things, so you could actually probably make this so it actually bends, which would be pretty cool. Hit me up, Lego. I'll design all your new kits. Trains and stuff. That'll be the name of the kit. Trains, semicolon, or colon. No, what? No, apostrophe. Trains, apostrophe, N, apostrophe, stuff. Only took me 3 tries. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day and a safe holiday season, and if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. If you're subscribed, make sure you ring the bell for notifications. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, we would really appreciate your subscription. It goes a long way to helping us grow and form a community that can sustain itself. So thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Merry Christmas.